What's up everybody, this is Stephen Palomino for my Java 2 Week 1 video review. I'm going to go over my app here and show you what I've done. I've cleared the cache and all the files, so there's a fresh run here. First thing I want to show you is the app when it's not connected. So we'll push something here and it says connection not found. You get the detail view here, but nothing shows up. So let's go ahead and connect again to get off airplane mode. We hit espresso, and there it is. The next thing I want to show is when we get back in the airplane mode, let's go ahead and rerun this. You can also just push it, but it's better just to rerun so you see that there's nothing here. Go ahead and click espresso again, and there you go. It loads right back up and still tells you connection not found. So that's that. You can also, one last thing I will show is that you can search for whatever you want and it will pop up here. So I added that as one of the mastery requirements. So let's go over the code here real quick. For the main.java, my main activity here, I've got, of course, when it loads, it will check for the connection and display a toast appropriately. Next thing is the interface for the pass list item press, which is what I call when it's the interface of the master fragment, which is this left one over here. So whenever you push something, it will call that interface and see what was pressed, and then again check, see if there's a connection, and then it starts making the API calls. If the connection is found, it'll pull the data, and if it's not, it will present the detail fragment and then display what's on cache if there is something on cache. If not, it will, like you saw earlier, say that there's no data. So let's go ahead and go to the get data. Right here, my get data, I'm just pulling in all the Instagram things that I want to populate, and then pulling in the image, then returning the data. Then on the post execute, I am bundling everything and then passing it to the detail fragment. Also, if I'm also writing out down here to the file current post, which is over here. You can see current post here is the file that wrote out. So that gets written out, and then also the detail fragment starts. So over here in the detail fragment, going to first check the connection. Then here on the on create view, we're grabbing all the views in the detail view, and then we're checking to see if there's a connection. Then we're pulling the arguments that we set in the main activity over here, pulling those in and then setting them over here. So, and then again over here, getting the picture. I wrote the pictures also individually to the file, so it'll pull those. And then if there's no connection, it'll pull in the file that was cached and then set those items as well as the picture. And so that's basically it. Over here you can see the master. You can see my the on list item click. That's what I'm calling whenever something gets pushed in the master fragment. So that's pretty much it. It was pretty simple. It just took a long time to get everything straightened out, figuring out how fragments work and how to connect them and how to implement interfaces and all of that. So I learned a lot. I just wish I had more time to kind of make a not so crappy looking app, but besides that, everything went well, and I look forward to kind of polishing it up here in week 2 and kind of making it a little better and ironing out a few bugs here. So that's it. Again, my name is Stephen Palomino, and this has been Java 2 Week 1 review video. Thanks for watching.